What up, what up, what up, Crypto Warriors? It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, back at it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's start off with this review, man, of CoinCube. The last time I did the CoinCube review, right, I didn't, this was back on December 29th. I didn't really understand or understood how the program worked, all right, and I was still figuring things out, all right, and how how the site worked and stuff. And I even lost like 15,000 red coin at the time, all right. And also at the time, the value on my CoinCube account was approximately $580. All right, so let me show you guys where it's from December 29th until today. Right now it's January 4th, Thursday, and I'll show you guys where my account is, the value of my account right now. All right, but let me read this real quick. Automated rebalancing has been temporarily disabled on all accounts. We are working to scale our trading engine to better serve all users. You can still... Okay, no problem. I understand. All right. So my account is already set. My asset allocations, right? And where I have it set up is 11% all around on coins that I have and coins that I would like to get. All right. So and as you can see right here, I have it set to 11% for everything. But they need to get some more red because, they've been selling my red so much. They need to purchase some more. I'll probably just do it on my own and keep it on another exchange. And the Verge, I get some more of this. I'm keeping my Tron because Tron has been pumping. If you've seen Coin Market Cap, Tron has been pumping, and I plan on getting some more on a dip. So here we go. Like I said, it was $580, and look where it is now. This is since December 29th. All right. Back then, I didn't really understand what was going on. So if you don't know what CoinCube is, it's basically you connect your trading, your exchanges to CoinCube via API connection, and then you just click the trading on. All right, but before you even go to that, you go to the generator here, and you could select. It's kind of like a mutual fund. You could do the top 50 coins, the top 30 coins, top 20, top 10. All right, and just leave it, and then you click on that, and then you will have it, the trading bot purchase and sell according to what you have allocated in your asset allocation. Okay, so like for instance, if the top 10, they'll try to make most of your your account 42%, as it says right there, Bitcoin, and then it kind of spreads it out all the way down, right? So I have mine set to where it's 11%. You could pick basically like these right here, or you could make your own. And I made my own, right? And I'm not gonna touch it or anything. I made my own and have it set to 11%, all the way around, 11.1% all the way around, to get all these coins. All right, I have some, I wanted to get Digibyte. I wanted to get some XRP because I like Ripple. Some Tron, some Red Coin, ETH, and some Funfair, some Verge. All right, so then I have it set. Let me just double click that. All right, and then boom, there it is. All right, so the bot now is going to be trading And if we go to my BitTricks account here, you can see that, as of 2 a.m., all right, 0200, it, performed this, it opened up the buy order, and I guess it was, it performed it at 2 a.m. finally, right? So, and it does it all on its own. It's all automated, and it does it, it basically to your benefit. Does it, to your benefit. And at the time when it sold off, like my 15,000 red coins, it did it, when it was higher, it sold it when it was pumping, and then started buying Verge on the dip when Verge was dipping last week. So it was all good basically, right? But now that I have it set, I'm gonna, I deposited more Bitcoin into my BitTricks account. It should be coming. It's been taking a while to get over from Gdax, but it should be coming over. And it'll, be there, and they'll be able to purchase some of the other coins that I've allocated in my account here, for my asset allocation. All right, so definitely hope it be able to pick up some XRP, some of the fun fare. All right, and I'm gonna put some more Bitcoin over here too in my hit BTC. All right, but yeah, I mean the platform is doing what it's supposed to do. Let's not forget here that it's a free platform. All right, this is the beta that they're just testing it out right now, and it's working well. It's doing what it's supposed to do, and don't make the mistake I did and just not set it to exactly what you want. All right, if you just want it to be let's go back to generator. If you just want it to be like one of it, choose one of the indexes right here, one of the blockchain indexes, and then you just set it and forget it, that's fine. But if you already have certain coins that you want to get, then I suggest that you generate your own, add a custom portfolio, and then you could set it, weigh it equally across all the platforms. All right. And then that's it, man. I mean, it's like I said, it's doing everything it's supposed to, and I can't complain. The one thing is though, I'm not sure if this here is because of the bull market that we've been having, since the beginning of the year. Well, I mean, it is the beginning of the year. I mean, it's only 4 days in the year already, but. At first I thought it was just the big pump from the bull market. However, after looking at all my different accounts and seeing that it's been trading, then I kind of realized, okay, then yeah, it's working properly. It's working like it should. All right. The one thing I would say is though, I see it trading more on my BitTricks account than I do my hit BTC account. And when I had, let me go back here, when I had my asset allocation to fiat, when I had some fiat in there as well, it was trading it on Gdax heavily too. It was trading it heavily on Gdax, and buying and selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on my Gdax account, and depositing the money right back into my fiat account, my dollar balance on Gdax. But then once I got rid of fiat currency on this allocation here and just put it back to Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum as well, it with it by the next day I noticed that the funds were going out of my my Gdax account, meaning the US dollar amount was gone, but my cryptocurrency amount was up. All right, so it does trade it heavily if you have it set that way. So But one thing I'm gonna do now is actually transfer all this over to either HitBTC or BitTricks. All right, to them both, and basically have it purchase more of the other coins that it hasn't yet. All right, that way it has more funds to do it, because I definitely want to pick up some XRP and some Funfair coin as well. All right, and Digibyte. So that's it, man. You know, I give it, you know, 2 thumbs up. I think it's a great platform. It's free, so let's not forget. Again, this is a free platform right now. I don't know if after they're done beta testing it, if they'll start charging us for it. But you know, as of right now, it's doing its thing. If you could get in. I noticed on the Telegram chat, on their Telegram, that they said that they actually shut it down, accepting new people into the program, because a lot of YouTubers and a lot of you know, more popular YouTubers that have, you know, thousands and thousands of followers, like Crypto J and Trayvon James, reviewed it and stuff. So I know their followers jumped right on top of it, and you know, probably, you know, flooded the networks or whatever with more users. So right now they shut it down and they have people on a waiting list. So yeah, CoinCube, man, if you could get in, set it up, you know, watch the video in the beginning, how to set it up properly, and it'll show you, you know. But you know, you just go to the connections here, and with each exchange they have a video. Once you hit connect, that'll pop up and it'll tell you exactly how to connect your exchange to CoinCube. And then once you do that, you know, you go to generator, and you just pick the index that you want, the blockchain index you want, either the top 10, top 20, 30, 50, or, you know, add a custom portfolio. And once you know, like I did, I just added a custom portfolio, you know, like boom, I'll just do it right now, just on the video. I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm gonna hurry it up. And you click what asset that you want. You click on it, and then once it's done, once you select them, right, you name the portfolio, what you want to name it, and you know, like, you know, I named my new portfolio, and then you set it accordingly. And then you'll see this, you know, balance out. Like, you know, I set it to be balanced all the way through, and it has been, you know, been balancing it out. Let me just reset it here. All right. So yeah, man, CoinCube, 2 thumbs up. Definitely give the video a like, dislike, comments. Please leave them below. You know, I'll just get better. You know, with more comments, you know, and with more feedbacks. I don't care if it's negative. Please leave the comments below. And if you want to follow me, please, you know, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, man. All right, this is your boy Sergeant Crypto, signing out. Peace.